Mainline engines always boast how big they are. Superior by far. But little engines trot away from dawn to dusk without a fuss or care. Just because we're small doesn't mean we don't stand tall or pull away like all the others do. You'll be surprised in spite of your size just what little engines can do. Little engines, little engines, little engines can do the biggest things. Little engines, little engines, little engines can do most anything. They'll carry on until the work is over. They'll carry on to the end. And the smallest in the station, they're underestimate them. They're not such little engines after all. Bigger engines say, little engines play all day, and it won't much use to anybody at all. But we're strong enough to deal with those trucks. That's what little engines hope for. Little engines, little engines, little engines can do my biggest things. Little engines, little engines, little engines can do most anything. They'll carry on until the work is over. They'll carry on to the end. They're the strongest in the station. They're underestimate them. They're not such little engines after all. Thomas, Percy, Bill, and Ben, you can rely on them. These little engines are the best. Stepney, Doc, and Oliver, and their big trucks, what for? You'll be so impressed. Little engines, little engines, little engines can do the biggest things. Little engines, little engines, little engines can do most anything. They'll carry on until the work is over. They'll carry on to the end. They're the smallest in the station. They're underestimate them. They're not little engines after all. They are favorite little engines. They're mighty little engines. They're most such little engines after all. They're not such little engines after all.